Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? Check this out. In my neighborhood here, they have this place that's $5 for these. They grow vegetables and lots of other plants they have here. As you can see, they have a lot of really good stuff. You can see the octopus plant. They have banana trees, podocarpus. They have these for sale, these raised beds off the ground, or just regular raised ones for sale. They have a little drop box for money if they don't happen to be here when you come in. And they have, look at this. Look at all these different things that they have. This is a really good idea. Like I said, if you are just in the, all the stuff's changing and all the more self-reliance is coming into America and all the other stuff that's going on. Obviously, people are trying to figure ways around the system and all the, mandates and all that stuff. So let's check this out. This is the drop box right there. They got herbs. They have like the prices for raised beds and everything. So this is really cool. They have a whole bunch. Like it goes all the way back. And so they have giant sunflowers. They grow them sometimes. So whenever you guys get a chance, I'll show you some more of the stuff that I have. They have all kinds of stuff here. It's in my neighborhood, so we can pretty much just self-reliance is the thing. People will support you. They make a lot of money. I come here all the time. There's always people here, so yeah, definitely check it out. There's way more down here. They have like entire tables down there where they have lots of stuff. So definitely, there's lots of ideas. There's ways to get around it. So definitely check it out.